we are on board the Caribbean Princess, sharing inside our balcony stateroom 515, Deck 11, Baja. Staterooms across Princess's fleet are fairly similar. This is, like I said, a balcony stateroom. It's a Class BB. As you can see inside the closet, there are plenty of hangers and then a shelf up above. Next to the closet is a cabinet that has even more shelves along with your room safe. We like to keep our things packed in these cubes. It makes it easier to pack up to go home. There is a standard bathroom in here with just a shower, no tub. Princess will provide the distilled water at no charge, and then we ordered the bottled water before we left home. And there's also a refrigerator that you can keep those things cold if you'd like. At the desk, there is only the one plug, so there is still a plug situation on older ships. On newer ships, they seem to have installed more plugs. In this stateroom, again B515, the door that goes out onto the balcony there was extremely hard to open. I'm not sure what was going on with that, but it was very hard to open. Even though Caribbean Princess is one of the older ships in the Princess fleet, we found our stateroom, with the exception of the balcony door and the plug situation, to be just as nice as our balcony room on Sky Princess. In the comments, we'd love to hear when and who you'll be sailing with next. As always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.